Welcome to Nouns with Adjectives. In this lesson, we will learn about nouns with adjectives. To build on our vocabulary, let's see how we can add adjectives to nouns. Fresh fruit. The adjective is fresh and the noun is fruit. Fresh fruit. The adjective always goes before the noun and stays the same whether it's singular or plural. Busy city. The adjective is busy and the noun is city. Expensive watch. The adjective expensive with the noun watch. Beautiful flowers. The adjective beautiful with the noun flowers. In this lesson, we have learnt to add adjectives to nouns to make them more interesting. The adjective goes before the noun. Fresh fruit. Busy city. Expensive watch. Beautiful flowers.